Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about 5 hairstyles that I do at home. I just started changing this bun because my hair here got tangled and I want to protect this area. So still here I have a bun because this is my favorite go-to hairstyle. Here's how I make it. This is my gray hair. I washed it one day before, so this is how it looks. Okay, so what do? I just take all the hair up, and I like to use this kind of elastics. This one. This one. And I'm going to roll it like this and put the left hair underneath. There you go. The next one, it's a classic. I'm going to use this elastic and I do this. I go for about 2-3 centimeters deep and then I take more hair. And continue the braid until the end. And put an elastic. Voila! I think this one is almost my favorite. I do protect my hair that you usually slip on and gets tangled. This way it's protected, it's in the braid. Easy, very. Third, I do a ponytail. Maybe I'm going to use a bit here. This. I'm going to use this elastic over it in order to keep it up. this. Let me go for a pin. Okay, I have no pin, so I'm going just to hide this one. Wait, my pins are in Liam's room. And from here, I can go with two other hairstyles. One, I do a reverse braid. I split my hair in 3 parts. Like this, I have 3 parts. And I just start the braid. I take the hair and I go underneath the braid. I'm going to use this elastic. Braids look better with lighter hair color, and I'm going to do this. So it's more messed up, and this is how it looks. And number 5, when editing the video, I've seen that I've done the same hairstyle twice. So I split my hair in 3 parts. Ta-da! And here are all 5 hairstyles in like less than 10 minutes or so. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye!